Congratulations, you're up to lesson 14. Here's our first problem in lesson 14. We got it right here. We got 2x minus star equals 12. So let's get that thing set up. So, like you, I've got all my pawns right here with my numbers. I've got 2x, and I got to take away a star. We got a problem. I don't have a star to take away. There's nothing on my beam that's a star. I can't take away a star. So we got to get creative right off the bat. The only way I can take away a star is if I have a star on there. The only way to get a star on there is to make sure I add a 0. So that's a x and a star. So this x and star together give me the 0. Now I can take away the star, and I can have 12 on the other side. So I have 3 x's equaling 12. That tells me x is 4. So I will check that over here. I've got x equals 4. That would mean star has to equal -4. So on the mess up. So on the left, I have 4 plus 4 minus -4. On the right, I got 12. 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus negative. The rule is add a line, change the sign. So it's actually 8 plus 4. That's 12. 12 is 12. That works out. So x is 4 and star is -4. But remember, the trick to getting that one set up was when I went to subtract the x, I had to add the 0 of a star and an x together, so then I could subtract off the star. Now let's try another problem here. This one's a little bit more complicated. I got x minus 3 stars equals 8 minus 2x. Let's go to the board. Easier to do it over here than over there. So I have x, and I got to subtract 3 stars. The only way I'm going to get 3 stars is to put in 3 zeros. So I'm going to go like this. Okay, so I've got x minus, I've got 3 zeros there, but I got to take away 3 stars, so I can bring those on here. X minus 3 stars would give me that. And then I have to add 2 to that. Okay, so there's that side. Now on the other side, I've got 8, and I'm supposed to take away 2 x's. Well, I have 2 options here. One option is to put 2 zeros on the right-hand side and then take away the 2 x's. But now I have a problem with x's and stars, and then I have to take care of all of that. Option 2 is to add 2 x's to both sides, and then I can take away the 2 from the right-hand side. And I think that's what I'm going to go with this time, because then all I have are x's. Well, now I've got 6 x's plus 2 on the left, and I've got an 8 on the right. But I know an 8 is a 2 and a 6. So I've got 6 x's and 2 on the right, and I've got 2 and a 6 on the left. I can remove the 2's, so I've got 6 x's equaling 6, so x must be 1. So I am saying for this problem that x equals 1, which would mean that star is a -1. So let's try this. I'd have 1 minus a -1 minus a -1 minus a -1, because I had to have 3 of the stars, plus 2, and on the other side I got 8 minus 1 because I had to have 2 x's. There we go. So I have, lots of -1s here. Minus, plus, minus, change sign, add a line. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 2. I got 6 on this side. 8 take away 1 is 7. Take away 1 is 6. 6 on the right side. That works out. 6 equals 6. So the big trick there was how to take care of those subtraction problems. And what I did on this case to take care of those subtraction problems was, on one side, I added zeros. On the other one, I added x's to both sides. So you can take care of them either way to get them taken off that way. So it's up to you how it kind of works out, which is going to be the best way for you to take care of that. Now, I have one more problem. I've got 2x minus 3x equals 10 plus x. I could show you how to do this problem, but I'm not going to. I want you to figure out a way to do this problem and tell me about it before I hand you the worksheet. All right, good luck.